We're sitting on a little poop. So, went a bit crazy and, well, not that crazy, like just a little bit. I ordered a lot of stuff from Boohoo. I think this is the most amount I've ever ordered in one go. Online shopping. So much so that I can't actually remember what I've ordered, so let's have a little look and see. I genuinely don't remember what I ordered. It is raining. Here, sunglasses, not for protection against direct sunlight. Okay, cool. Yeah, they're pretty dope. I quite like them. Buckle up, everyone. Pair number 2. Oh my god, these are huge. These are huge. These are ridiculous. I'm not sure about these ones. I kind of love them because they're so stupid though. So for ages I've been like, I'm going to get a gold chain. Now I'm wearing my big hoop earrings. And I saw this one and it wasn't very expensive, so I was like, that'll do. I'm not 100% sold, but again, time the place. Right, onto this one. That made jump. Buckle Animal Maxi Skirt Black. I thought I removed this from my basket, I must admit. So, it's nice that I didn't. It feels like swimsuit material. That's the best, well, that is what it feels like. It feels like swimsuit material. But you know, when it's hot, I don't know. Yeah, when it's hot, you know, in case you want to jump in the lake. It might be right. On to the next one. What is this bad boy? Look at this, guys. Ooh, it's like green on the inside. Nice little A-line skirt with a, I mean, that's not very good. The belt just comes off. I quite like the belt, actually. It's a nice, like, Western style belt. Better get a hurry on because it's taken me forever. So, I always run out of tops. I have a lot of tops, but they seem to go with nothing. Because I always used to just buy what I like and not think about it ever going with anything. So I'm like, oh, I like this top, and I'm like, it doesn't go with anything, so I never wear it. So I thought ahead. This is a cow neck crosser back cami, in ivory apparently. This is white. It's a bit cheap looking because of the nice elastic, but it doesn't feel awful. Hold on, cross back, it goes that way. Just a little cami top. Let's have a look, I think we've got another one in here. Yeah. So this is a crepe, oh no, you should read the descriptions. The crepe ones are never very nice. This is a crepe cold shoulder one. I really like cold shoulder tops though, but crepe just feels horrible, doesn't it? Well, that look alright, the one. I think that's good. We'll do this one, and then I've got some shoes in here. This is an ickier colour than I hoped as well. It looked like a nice kind of colour, but I don't know. It's a nice little scuba skirt. I don't think this is going to look as nice on as it did on the model. It just doesn't quite look like I was expecting it to. Maybe it does on, I don't know. It might look okay on. We'll see. Maybe I just need a better tan at the moment. I've got 2 pairs of white shoes in my collection. One pair, I'll show you. One pair of them are these, which are I light up pole dancing shoes, which are awesome. But like, you know, if I'm wearing a nice dress, I don't really go, oh, I'm going to put these white shoes on. I mean, maybe I should. I'm not against it, but I want something that I can just wear day to day. I couldn't really turn up to work wearing these. I could, but it's not really the image I'm going for at work. That's party time Emily, not smart time Emily. I just got some kind of basic white sandals because I thought they were a bit higher, but that's not a bad thing. I guess I can work my way up and actually they're not stupidly little like this teeny ones, but they have a nice little ankle strap. So yeah, no, they're alright. They're nice. Standard. Right, I'm going to go into the big bag. Do it, guys. Oh God, this is ridiculous. No wonder why they put them in 2 separate bags. This is a doppy full neck black top. I feel like this might have been one of those tops though that I brought and didn't think about what I'd wear with. Look, we're all into it. It looks really old lady-like. Okay, so, same design, just two different styles of top. So this is like a bordesse. I like it more now, so it's big, it's like crepe material, it's not great. But I feel like this, I think this will look dope on. I think this will look dope. Look alright. It's a nice little wrap top. I've got another one which is kind of wrap style and I really like it. It's alright, I think it'll be okay as well. So this is the top, which sits like this, and it's meant to go over the skirt bit with this nice buckle in the middle. And then this is the skirt, which should be like a little pencil skirt. I'm not convinced this is going to fit me. Oh, I don't know actually, it might be a bit big. I do remember this, and I was like, what is this? This is a jumper. I did buy a jumper, guys. I brought into this organza thing, which probably isn't a trend anymore. Should we do parachutes, guys? Break it up a bit. I've wanted a pair of white boots for the longest time. Oh, I mean, great start, scuff mark on them. I like the boot though. It's different to the boots I have. The heel's different. I kind of just fancied it. It is a bit 60s, but I thought, oh, it might be alright. It's this delightful bodice of a top. These feel quite nice though. These are so ridiculous. Oh, I love it. What are these called? Boohoo Occasion. So this is when you're feeling fancy. I'm quite excited about this little outfit I've got going on here. I'm thinking this outfit, gold chain, those sunglasses. Nailed it. Right. We're nearly there. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. I'm knackered. Oh, these are good. These are nice. These are some nice gold metallic shoe. Because everyone should have a gold metallic shoe in their life. Thanks for joining me for my Boohoo haul. Let me know what you've got recently from Boohoo. They've got loads of sales on, unless they've closed down now, because, yeah, life. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. That was quite fun. That was money well spent now. Let's put that shit on that plant. Banging. Right, I'll see you in a few minutes. / cut through to next video when I'm doing my little dancing on.